Welcome to the inTour demo. This short video will introduce you to inTour and how it can help managing a tour group. inTour is a mobile app specifically designed for bus tour. It helps tour guide to communicate with group members, and perform head count. During breakout sessions, members know exactly when and where to regroup, so they won't be late and left behind. Besides bus tour, inTour is useful when you go traveling with a few friends, or other group outings such as hiking and cycling. First time you open the app after downloading, tab on Sign Up. Enter your email and password. A minimum of 6 characters is required for the password. Tab Sign Up. Then check your email for the verification email. Click on the link in the email to complete the verification process. Go back to the app, email and password are already defaulted, tab Sign In to log on. Enter your name that you want to be known in the tour group. Optionally, tab the avatar icon to select your photo. The main page of the app shows a map with your current location. The top line shows Not in Group, indicating you're not in a tour group yet. The icon on top left is designed to be used by tour guide. As a leader, first thing you need to do is create a group. Enter the group name. Start and end date. Optionally, tab the Select PDF button to upload an itinerary in PDF format. Tab Create to create the group. Once a group is created and started, you will notice the top line changed to No Next Meet Time Scheduled. The next thing you may like to do is to add tour members to the group. There are 2 ways to add a member. You can scan the QR code of the member. Or, the second way is to enter the email address of the member and click Search. The scan QR code method is typically used at the time when members check into the group in person, while the email method can be used when the leader creates the group and adds the members before the group starts. That way, members can use the app to help locating the initial meetup time and location. Once a member is added, the member count next to the group name on the header is incremented. After checking in all the members, the tour group can start. Upon arriving a sightseeing spot, before letting members to break out. Create a next meetup event in the app. To schedule a next meetup, enter the date and time. The default is 1 hour from now. Then select the meet place. A few options are available here. Current location. Enter address. Saved location. Follow me throughout. And no GPS. Current location is used most often where the members regroup at the same location before breaking out. No GPS option is good for regrouping in the tour bus outside the hotel the next morning. You can save the current location for future use by tabbing the icon on the lower right. For instance, you can save the location of point A. Then use Follow Me Throughout to walk the group to point B. After that, schedule a regroup using the saved location back to point A. Once you selected the target location, tap Send to broadcast the event. After a meetup is scheduled, a notification will be sent to all members. The app's main page will display a countdown clock and the distance from the target. The markers with different colors on the map show the locations of the target, leader and members. For the leader, there is an addition icon to show the location of each member in a tabular form. At the bottom of the location list, it gives a summary count of how many members are present and absent. If a member's location is within 20 meters from target, they are considered as present. In order for the leader to track members' location, it is recommended for users to give Location Always Allowed permission to this app. Another main feature of inTour is broadcasting. Leader uses broadcast to make announcements or ask questions to every member in the group. Often, there are optional activities during the tour the leader would like to ask if the members want to join. It's easy to create a broadcast. Enter your message, and specify if it is a message, where no reply is expected from members. Or if it is a yes/no question. Or if it is a question with multiple options. Broadcast messages are sent to all members. If it is a question, the reply options are provided right below the message. Once the user picks the option, a reply message will be automatically sent back to the leader. Messages sent by a member are only visible to the leader, not to other members. The leader can check the replies of the questions on the broadcast list. This page shows the summary of the member reply. It supports pull down to refresh so you can get the latest update while staying on this page. Tab on the broadcast item to go into the detail page. Drill down on each option to see who picked that option. The third tab offers a feature the member may find useful. It searches nearby places, filtered by category and keyword that you enter. The places are sorted by distance with the closest one on top. You can look at the details of a place that interests you. Tabbing on the map icon will further bring up a map, showing the route from your current location to the selected place. On the last tab of the app, you can go to the group page to read its itinerary. Or go the profile page to change your name or upload your photo. Tab on the top right to show your QR code. It can be used when you check into the group. This concludes the demo. Thank you for watching. Hope you'd find inTour helpful during your next trip. Happy traveling!